Ready to unleash your inner knight, bard, or artisan? Join us at Sherwood for this grown-up summer camp, where adventure and relaxation come together. Spend your days learning medieval skills like sword fighting, archery, blacksmithing, and leatherworking. Then enjoy exciting nightly activities, including some of your favorite fair performers. After a day of hands-on fun, unwind at the pub with cold drink and great company. Whether you're mastering a new craft or enjoying the evening entertainment, Sherwood Forest Grown-Up Camp offers the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Don't miss your chance to be part of this unforgettable weekend. Reserve your spot today.